Hey everyone, I'm Omid. Why did the video stand up? Because it wanted to become a YouTube short. Yeah. Anyway, let's make a vertical video. If you're making content for shorts, TikTok, or Reels, the first thing you need is the right sequence. Create a new sequence. Then change the frame size to 1080 by 9020. Now, drag your clip into the timeline. If it doesn't fit perfectly, don't worry. Just adjust the scale and position until it looks right. Try to keep the most important part of the video right in the middle. Remember, most people are watching on their phones, so make sure everything is easy to see. Boom. Now you're ready to post. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.